Place your order at your desired price and forget it for up to 40 calendar days. Now, with the good till date GTD order feature on InvestRight app, you will never miss an opportunity again. A GTD order lets you preset your buy conditions and keeps the order active until the date you choose. So whether it's short-term trade or a longer strategy, your plan stays in the system until you decide otherwise. Here's how it works. When placing a GTD order, you'll have to fill 3 key sections. Number 1, market price, the price at which your order gets executed. Number 2, stop loss, a safety net. It helps you exit automatically if the price moves opposite to your plan. And number 3, order quantity and date. You can keep your GTD order active for up to T plus 40 calendar days unless modified or cancelled. And using it on InvestRight app is simple. Open your preferred script, tap on the 3 dots beside it, select GTD order, fill in your desired order price, stop loss, quantity and validity date. And pro tip, just remember, always review your stop loss and order price regularly, especially during volatile market conditions. Set your targets once and let the app do the rest. Try the GTD order feature today on the InvestRight app. Download or update the app now. Happy investing!
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.